Welcome to Class Day Geometry students on this Wednesday or Monday the 21st. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to get back to work today. Hope you had a good weekend. Let's get started with a lot of stuff today, okay? First of all, here's the week schedule. Look at this, a lot of work, guys. Notes and homework. Notes and homework. Wednesday, a quiz and notes. Thursday, homework. A Friday, quiz, notes, and homework. So, rise to the occasion. Be ready to work hard. We have a lot to do today, so let's really work hard and get it done. There's nothing to turn in. There was no homework over the weekend for you guys to work on. Incompletes. Let's see, the Chapter 2 test. Kendra, you've got to make that up, okay? I would like you to make it up no later than Wednesday. Kendra, if at all possible. Now, if you don't think that's fair, contact me. But I'd like you to make it up by Monday, today, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Now, Dakota, I'm not sure if you're in class today. You have a lot of stuff to make up. I've got your own list here for you, okay? So a quiz, a test, and 3 homework assignments. Now, Dakota, I'm talking to you and all the students in the room. Guys, when you miss a lot of days due to sickness, that's one of the great things about a video class. I don't know if Dakota did this. I hope he did, but my goodness, you can come into class even if you've missed 4 or 5 days and be totally caught up, walk in the door and have all of your homework done and be ready to do everything you need to do. So please take advantage of this being a video class. There are negatives about a video class, but there are positives too. And when you miss a day of class, you go to that Geometry Track 2 playlist. You click the date that you missed. Listen to the intro video like the one right now that you're listening to. It tells you what to do that day, and you get it done, okay? Dakota, I need you to email me or tell Miss Carolyn she'll email me. I want you to make up a schedule for this, okay? I have to know when you're going to take your quiz 3, when you're going to take this. And you've got 2 quizzes this week to take, so get in touch with me or Miss Carol and let her know, and she'll let me know, okay? Alright, moving on. Today we're going to be reviewing a little bit from Chapter 2. We're then going to take notes and then work on homework. The video today is only 13 minutes long, so not a lot of notes to take, okay? That's pretty good. So lesson 3.1, about 15 minutes long. It's about parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines. You will be responsible for, I believe, about 4 definitions you're going to have to learn, okay? So please learn those well. Now let me comment on Chapter 3 real quick, okay? In Chapter 3, we're going to be learning, we're going to be dealing a lot with parallel lines, lines in general. We're going to be learning that when you have 2 lines cut by another line, we call this line right here, this line, a transversal. We're going to learn about alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, consecutive interior angles. We're going to learn properties about when parallel lines are cut by transversals. We're going to be learning 5 ways to prove that 2 lines are parallel. Chapter 3 is going to be a lot about lines, parallel lines, and stuff like this, okay? So understand we're starting Chapter 3 today. The homework that is due tomorrow is this right here, so please copy that down. Now, in closing, someone has mentioned a game, Song or something like that. I am for doing stuff like that, but I need someone, not via email, but someone who sees me at the school or at church or somewhere to explain it to me, and I'll see if we can work that into your class, okay? Okay, that's all for today, students. Now, I want you to do the following. I want you to start off with a little review from Chapter 2, okay? On the test, this is unprecedented. I have taught this class for 4 years, and once again on your test, I messed up, okay? I didn't mess up. Your test was perfect. On the review sheet the day before, I told you what to study, and it was the wrong information. Now I'm embarrassed, and I need you to have confidence in me as a teacher. This is the 4th year I've taught this class, and I've not had problems like this at all. This is very rare, and you need to be very thankful because it really made the test very simple. And something similar happened on Chapter 1 too, and it's not going to keep happening. Understand that, okay? So having said that, if it's not going to count on your test, then let's at least practice it today. So I want you to do the following. Everyone's going to do it. Everyone's going to turn it in, and you're getting a homework grade for it, okay? So what I want you to do is a little review. I'm going to was not in your notes. As far as I know, that was not in your notes, okay? So you may skip that one, okay? But all of the others were in your notes. So for number one, on your paper, put your name, put number one, and write this whole thing out. And be sure and fill in the blank with the right words. So everyone work on this for the next couple minutes, 5-10 minutes. Then everyone needs to turn those in, Mrs. Duke, and then go on to the teaching video and the homework video. And one more thing, students, Kendra and Dakota, Kendra, it's your job to let Mrs. Duke know what hour you're going to take your makeup test and what teacher's going to watch you, so she can get your test to that teacher. Also, you're welcome to take your test during class, but if you do that, then you need to make sure that you watch the videos that